Alright, I need to practice my English. Let's talk about adverbs.
Fantastic choice. Adverbs are like the spice of a sentence. Without them, sentences can be bland.
Spice? Are we cooking now?
Well, no. But imagine you're eating plain rice. Adverbs are like soy sauce or chili. They make things more interesting.
So, adverbs are like soy sauce for sentences. Got it.
Exactly. Let's start with the basics. Adverbs modify verbs, adjectives, or other adverbs. For example, she sings beautifully.
I sing terribly.
Oh, don't be so hard on yourself. But yes, terribly is an adverb too. It's describing how you sing, hypothetically, of course.
Sure, hypothetically. Okay, give me another example.
All right, the cat jumped gracefully onto the table. Here, gracefully is the adverb.
My cat jumps clumsily onto everything. Is clumsily an adverb?
It is, and it's quite fitting for your cat, apparently. Just be glad it's not ferociously.
Ha ha. True. So adverbs often end in ly, right?
Yes, but not always. Words like very, well, and fast are also adverbs, even though they don't have that magical ly.
So if I say I run fast, fast is an adverb.
Correct. And if you said I run very fast, then very is also an adverb, modifying fast.
Wow. Adverbs modifying adverbs. It's like Inception.
Exactly. English grammar can be a rabbit hole, but let's make it fun. Try creating a sentence with two adverbs.
I speak English very slowly.
Brilliant and accurate, if I may say so.
Hey, I'm trying here.
Just kidding. You're doing great. Now, let's test your observation skills. In this sentence, she shouted angrily and stomped away. How many adverbs do you see?
Just one. Angrily.
Bingo. And what is it modifying?
The verb shouted.
Spot on. You're really getting the hang of this.
Thanks. Now I can spice up my sentences with adverbs or soy sauce.
Just don't pour soy sauce on your keyboard. Trust me, it won't end well.
Noted. Thanks, AI. You are a great teacher.
And you're a star student. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be adverblicious.
What? Adverblicious? Is that even a word?
It is now. Goodbye and happy learning.
Bye. See you later.